Vanakkam, Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Data Buddy. In this video, I am going to show you how we can create an ERD entity relationship diagram which is customizable to our taste rather than the one available in the market. I have created this ERD using SQL Server and for me this is not much presentable. So I wanted to design the look and feel of ERD according to my taste. I'll walk you through each and every step of how I created a customizable one using Excel. Before we proceed into the ERD, let me show you a simple star schema which has a single fact table surrounded by multiple dimension tables. I ran this SQL script in SQL Server Management Studio and created this ERD. Once the relationships are properly set between the fact and dimension tables, we can get a well-established ERD like this. I have created this ERD just to show you guys how it looks when created using the SQL Server. Though it is a very good diagram, this is not so attractive. So I created a customized one according to my taste, which is more elegant and presentable than the one created by SQL Server. Let's see how to do it. Open an Excel sheet and type out the entities you want. If you have the detailed script, just paste them and do the formatting instead of typing all of them. I needed just two columns, the column name and the data type. I don't need this nullable column and the column to show the primary or foreign key. I do not wish the primary key constraint to be shown as well. So I just created only two columns, which are the column name and the data type. Also, I have kept the primary key column on the top. Once it's done, for each data type I have given some color coding. For example, for all the numeric data types, I have given the yellow color, and for all the non-numeric data types like string, date, time, etc., I have given the blue color. So it's our choice to give whatever color we want. I have used black and yellow color theme for the entities. For each and every Excel cell, we can customize the color we want. Okay, so once I am done with this, what I did in the next step was to copy whatever that I have done. I pressed Ctrl C to copy, and instead of pasting it as it is, I right clicked and went to the paste special window and chose the picture. As you see, whatever that I have copied has been pasted as an image rather than text. Similarly, I have taken all the pictures for the entities and arranged according to the relationships. Once I am done with the arrangement, I went to Insert menu option and chosen the elbow arrow connector from the shapes. I changed the format of the connector, like changing the color, line style, weight, etc. And once this is done, the ERD is over. The next and the final step is to bring the relationship type like one-to-one or one to many, etc. To bring in the infinity symbol, what I did was pressed Alt button and then, without releasing it, typed 236 and released the Alt button. Rather than copying the infinity symbol in a cell, I created a text box so it can be moved and placed wherever we want. The next step is to copy this completed ERD and then paste it as image. Similar to how I did last time, I pressed Ctrl C to copy and went to a new sheet, right clicked, chose the paste special and then the picture option. Now we can use this image in any document. Hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, press like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.